Hello everyone, TechAid TV here. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to connect this Canon Pixma G4010 printer into your Wi-Fi using your smartphone or tablet. This is the easy method for you to enable to print your documents and scan over your Wi-Fi network using your Wi-Fi devices. And without further ado, let's get started. This step is we need a smartphone or tablet. Then, we're gonna open the Play Store for Android and App Store for Apple. And then tap Search and type Canon Print. Then tap Search. Then we're gonna select the second in the list, which is the Canon Print application. Then now tap Install to install the app. And when app installation completed, just tap Open. Just tap Agree on License Agreement. Scroll down and tap Check All. And then tap OK. To allow access permission, tap OK again. Then tap Allow while using the app. And tap Allow again to access photos and other media on your device. Then once you already have downloaded and installed this app, before you proceed searching your printer, we may now go first on our printer screen. Just press the pliers and screwdriver button. Then here it shows wireless LAN setup. You're gonna hit OK. Then here you're going to see Easy WL Connect. Then you're going to hit OK. Then here the screen shows processing. Then after this it follows more instructions that we have to follow. Then, after a few seconds, the screen shows follow the instructions on the PC or smartphone. So we are going to go back to our smartphone device. Then, we are going to tap Search. And now it's going to search your Canon printer device. Then here shows is your printer listed below. We're going to tap Yes to continue. Then tap Next to connect into your printer. Then here, we're gonna tap Connect to directly connect your smartphone into your printer. Then automatically your wireless router will be selected where your smartphone is connected to, so just tap Yes to continue. Then, you're going to type in your Wi-Fi password. Then tap OK. Then wait until your smartphone is completely connected into your printer. When your printer is connected to your smartphone, the printer screen shows Easy WL Connect is connected, then we are going to press OK. Then we are going to check Save and press OK. When we are going to save the Wi-Fi SSID and password. And now we have successfully connected to our Canon Pixma G4010 series printer. Then now we will be able to print documents, scan documents, and print photos wirelessly using our smartphone via Wi-Fi connection. Then we may now try to print document. Printing documents with photos, it may take some time, so just wait on it until it finishes printing the document. And now we have successfully printed document wirelessly, using our smartphone via Wi-Fi network connection. And that's how simple it is to set up and connect using Easy WLAN Connect setup for this Canon Pixma G4010 series printer. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.